Okay, so let's download the software required for the programming of the GOC35. Okay, so here we're going to search for GOC programming software, which will lead you to the official page for the Mitsubishi. Let's search over here. Now, scroll down to the official page for the Mitsubishi. Here you can see Mitsubishi Operational Control GOC Traffic Operational Control. Click over here and this will redirect you to the official page. Here you can see the download the software. That's here. Now click and it is going to download. After starting, now let's go search for Codesys. You can see the Codesys 2.3. Open it. It's going to take some time, depends on your laptop power. Yeah, this one is the first graphic UI. You can see right after opening up the Codesys 2.3. Yeah, okay, so here we're going to create, just by creating the laptop icon, create a new project. Select it. It's taking time. Yeah, from here you can select the controller type. At first you will see only the GOC controller target settings. I have installed target setting for another 2 models, and you can ignore right now. You just select the GOC. Yeah, just like that, and click OK. It's going to take some time to load the interface. Yeah, from here you can select ladder logics. This will use the first block programming area where you can going to add wrong and some elements also. This is the ladder logics. Okay, so we are going to start a simple project just by adding and you can just say you can going to start motor control simple projects to check whether it is going to work or not. The first one is the start push button, second is the stop push button, and this is the second. Now we put the output coil. The name is motor I. This is also a boolean type. Okay, so to latch it, we will going to use yeah, like that. This way you will latch after this when you unrelease start push button, then this will still continue on the motor on. Simulation, select simulation mode, and let's go and click the login. This will compile your program. It's compiling. Yeah. Just run the we need to run the program. So just you double click and after that press the Control F7 to enable this, and again double click and Control F7 to disable. Just like that. Yeah, you can see after turning off the push button, this is still the motor is still on. It's running. This means that this is already latched. To turn off, you have to push the stop button. Again, double click, Control F7. Yeah, the push button, stop push button already pressed, so this is unrelease it. Yeah, you can see here the motor is latched. This is a simple project of the motor control app, and well, so this is the first after downloading the GOC. This is the first mini project, and I will be uploading another further more videos related to the, you can say, the timers, counters,